So welcome to part 3 of our Veronika hug Entrelac piece. So here is our last row, and let's do that first. Here we are, so let's count the base row that we did here just a minute ago, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and the next one 15 and 16 will be our last one. So as mentioned in the previous video, feel free to post comments or questions you might have below in the comment section. I always like hearing feedback from you as well, so if anything comes to mind, feel free to share. So here is our box number 7, so just like I mentioned where it would appear, let me just get the needles in order a little bit. So the next box comes in here, so that's where we start with the new stitches out of the little knots, just like before. So we will also connect both sides as we did before. So here is our box number 7, and let's now take out the stitches out of the 8 little knots. So while I do this, I will also mention that you can subscribe to the channel for free, and that way stay updated with everything new that we post. Apart from that, you can also access our older videos we already did for extra inspiration. Here we are. For now, I'll leave these stitches be and cast off in the other direction. So basically, just go back. Okay, and here the last stitch, so let's do them together with the next one in purl stitch. I just need to get them from the line to the needle. And here we are. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the last one. Again, same as in the last video, I will count with you to make it a bit more dynamic and easier to follow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. As you can see, from this point on, it's very easy to do. So just keep repeating everything you've been doing so far, and after a while and after a couple of boxes, you're gonna have a pretty scarf, or maybe another piece for another purpose you might want to use it for. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the last purl stitch as always. So it's always going to be the 8 knit stitches and the 1 purl stitch at the end. In case of connecting 2 boxes, we're gonna do the 2 together and purl stitch at the end, but apart from that, it's all the same. It's all just one little formula. So let's finish all of the stitches here. This was the last stitch, so now let's see. First round, and then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 14, 16, and this is row 17, which means we are continuing with box number 9. So let me align this just a bit so that you see where it will form exactly. So box 9 will start here, and we will include all of these inside. So now I will do the same as I did with box number 8. So now take out the 8 stitches. So I also wanted to tell you that we have a Facebook group called Woolly Hugs. You can find many different projects there, also from our users as well, not just from me. So if that might be interesting to you, feel free to check it out. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the edge stitch. So this is where we do the 8 stitches we had left over from box number 8. For now, leave those be, and we will work with the other side. And when you finish the row, then as always turn, cast off, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last number 8, and the purl stitch, and then again. And you can just continue doing this until you are done with the side stitches. So here is our piece with our square, or let's say box number 9. You can call these whatever you think is suitable. And now we are again starting with 8 stitches right there where you ended. Okay, so we have our stitches. Now you might want to do one more because it looks like it's missing, but don't do that. So this will just straighten the edge, and yeah, there is no additional one you need to do, although it may look like that. So the next box we are doing, so to say, by itself. So we are not connecting it in any way now after we have done the bases correctly. So there are a couple of these that you start this way. It's nothing weird, it's just starting, let's say, a new section. So just do knit stitches in 18 rows. So here is box number 11. We will do 17 rows. So just like we did with box number 3, let's find it really quickly. So it's this one here. So first, second, third, and we are here at the same spot. So we are doing 8 new stitches. So you see, after a while this should be really quick and results should show relatively quickly. So this square we are doing just like number 3, cast off and do knit stitches. And 8, and the 9th stitch we will do it with the next stitch together in purl stitch, and then turn and just go back the same way. So this is how you start this one, and from there on it's just doing the 4th, the 5th box, and so on. So what I mean is after you finish this section, you basically kind of start all over again. So I'm not going to be showing you in the video how you keep going, since it's really all the same stuff. So feel free to check out part number 1 of this video as well as part number 2. That way you can know what to do in the following sections. So make sure you decide which length you want, and apart from that you can keep going as long as you have materials. Make sure you follow the right direction, and apart from that you should get such a pattern with the stripes going in 2 different directions. So yeah, this is what I have for now. You can work it, as I said, for as long as you want. And yeah, depending on what you want to use it for or how big your scarf is supposed to be, as long as you have enough wool to do it, you are pretty much free to continue working forever if you like to. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. Also, you can subscribe to the channel and stay updated with everything new that I post, and check out the older videos that I've already posted on the same channel. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, have a great day, shoot a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!